How to uninstall an app or game from your mobile. Step-by-step guide method. 1. Directly from the home screen, long press on the app icon. Tap and hold the app you want to uninstall. Drag the app to uninstall or remove. Move the app icon to the uninstall or remove option that appears at the top of your screen. Confirm uninstallation. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Tap OK or Uninstall to delete the app. If this method doesn't work, try the next one. Method 2. Using the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store. Launch the Google Play Store on your mobile. Search for the app. Type the name of the app you want to uninstall in the search bar. Uninstall the app. Open the app page, and you'll see an Uninstall button. Tap on it and confirm to delete the app. Method 3. From App Info Settings, long press on the app icon. Hold the app icon and select App Info from the menu that appears. Uninstall from App Info. In the App Details page, you'll see the Uninstall option. Tap it and confirm to remove the app. Note: the process might vary slightly depending on your phone model, but these methods generally work for all devices. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such tips. Thank you for watching.